In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Merchant Center and Google Ads in a quick and easy way. It's a crucial task for anyone looking to streamline their marketing efforts and optimize their advertising campaigns. This tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step, ensuring you understand each part and can easily replicate it on your own. So let's get started. First off, you need to have a few prerequisites in place before we dive into the linking process. Make sure you have both a Google Ads account and a Google Merchant Center Next account ready to go. If you haven't set these up yet, head over to ads.google.com for Google Ads and merchants.google.com for Google Merchant Center to create your accounts. Now that you're ready, open your web browser and type in www.google.com retail. Once the page loads, look for the sign in option and choose to sign in to Merchant Center. This is where everything will start coming together. Once you're signed in, take a look at the top right corner of the page. There you'll see a gear icon. Click on it. This icon is your gateway to a variety of settings and options, and today we're focusing on connecting your account smoothly. After clicking the gear icon, you'll want to select apps and services from the list of options. This section is where Google allows you to integrate different services, making your workflow more efficient. Find this option and give it a click. In the apps and services section, you'll see an area labeled Google Services. This is where you need to be. Look for the Add Service button here, which is the next step in connecting your Google Ads and Merchant Center accounts. With the Add Service button in sight, go ahead and click on it. A menu with different options will appear and you should choose Google Ads from this list. It's important not to skip this step because selecting the correct service ensures that your accounts will communicate correctly. Once you've chosen Google Ads, click on Next to proceed. You might be prompted to enter your Google Ads customer ID at this point. If you're not sure where to find this, don't worry, it's located in the top right corner of your Google Ads dashboard. Type in your customer ID carefully to avoid any issues moving forward. Now when you reach the Link Google Ads to Business Manager section, you'll notice a link button. Clicking this button is the final step in establishing the connection between your Google services, allowing for a more integrated approach to managing your advertising campaigns. Congratulations, you've successfully linked your Google Merchant Center and Google Ads accounts. With this integration, your product data from Google Merchant Center Next will now automatically flow into Google Ads. This seamless integration means you can set up shopping campaigns, create performance max campaigns using your product feed, and much more, all from within Google Ads. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Enjoy your streamlined ad management.